Hello guys, good day to you wherever you may be watching from. Um so let's just get right to the business of today. So remember how I told you how we're looking for these targets, and then price finally did that yesterday on Friday. So sorry I've not dropped any videos since Wednesday. My last analysis was it Wednesday? I think Wednesday. Um Thursday, I went to swim. Even though I traded, I went to swim. I wasn't at home for most of the day. When I got back, I was tired. I couldn't make any video. And then Friday, what was my excuse for not making any video on Friday? Well, Friday was just there. Went to the gym. Still traded. And I didn't just. I was probably lazy. And I'm making the video now anyway. So let's get right into it. So when we started analyzing videos on this channel, this chart on this channel, and we were around here, and I told you how markets was going to come and take out this. We did that here, and then here, here, here. So let me dip you down into lower time frame to take you into my action of today, of those days. Sorry. So on Wednesday, this was my trade on Wednesday, and I closed somewhere around here. Here, I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait. I did not like this movement. This was a lot of jaga jaga, so it took a lot of time. So I closed majority of my positions. You feel me? So on Thursday, my sell was somewhere around here. When I went to swim that day, my sell was around here. I sold somewhere here, and my stop loss was just above there. And then I was hoping we hit this target. But when I was seeing that we had a lot of back and forth movement again, I closed all my positions. I closed majority of my positions. I left I think two positions running, and then I ended up getting stopped out on break even here because of course when the market went in my direction, I broke even. So my remaining two positions hit break even, and I think it was in a little profit or so, little profit, tiny profit, because my stop loss was slightly below, slightly below, my entry. So this is it, guys. I wasn't pained because I know that the next day I'll still make money. So that's the thing about trading, guys. Always remember to break even, man. If this trading P, the cocoa of being a trader is that you want to be profitable, and you're not trying to get the most move. You're just trying to make sure your account grows by some amount of money. It doesn't even matter. Have a target every day and just stick to it. Grow your account. That's the way you can make it in this game. You have to be able to compound your profits. Be profitable. And being profitable is about knowing how to manage your trades. When you're in profit, you break even or minimize your loss. Don't expose your positions to be able to still take loss. Yes, some people be like, oh, I don't want to get stopped out on break even. I want the market to keep going in my direction. What if the thing doesn't even, like, see, for here, for example, now imagine I still had my stop loss. Imagine my stop loss was still somewhere above here. It would have just come right straight to my stop loss, and I was still taking a loss, even though I made profit. I was still taking a loss if I didn't break even. So you always break even, guys. You always want to break even, especially when the market has gone in your direction. Feel me? So on Friday, I traded somewhere around here. Market, as you can see, market came, traded up to an inefficiency, and then bam, entered for my sell. Take profit should be here. And as you can see, even though I closed majority of my positions here and I left the remaining two positions to hit take profit, because of course a lot of jaga jaga started again and anything could happen. So I closed majority of my positions just here after the sell side liquidity, and the remaining two hit my take profit, which is the sell side liquidity that I highlighted there on the daily time frame. So this is trading, guys. Trading is not actually hard, to be honest. This is trading, it's not hard. Um if you have losing trades and you are sad, first of all, even if you're in this game here, just remove your emotions from this P, because this chart doesn't care about you, it doesn't care about anything, it doesn't care about your finances, your life, it doesn't know shit, it just does whatever it wants to do, and you have to bring yourself under that circumstance. Bringing yourself under that circumstance, you understand that there are some things that have to change. You should not be greedy, you should not over leverage, don't overexpose yourself, don't overexpose your account. Always minimize your risk, guys. You want to always minimize your risk. If you can see all the risk to reward ratios I'm doing, this is like what, 1:9, or let's just say since I didn't do 1:9, I did probably like 1:3, 1:4. But in reality, since I broke even, I'm not even doing 1:4. I'm doing like up to like 1:9. let's say 5, 1:4, thereabout on this trade. If you look here also, because once they go in my direction, I'm breaking even. So I'm literally not even losing much. This is like 1:5 here. So like guys, and if I had waited for the next day, this would have been 1:8 on this particular account. So guys, you don't so trust guys, you don't actually want to be like, yo, I want to get the most out of this or this and that. Just be profitable. You feel me? And so now that being said, that was my business for the couple of days ago. Um, what was my analysis for the coming days or for next week? To be honest, guys, at this point, I'll be honest and tell you that I don't know what the market is going to do next week. Yes, that's trading for you. That's the chart for you. There are sometimes you're sure, there are sometimes you don't know. Initially, I was sure of my initial targets. Bam. Now we have gotten there. Now the narrative might change. Price, the market can decide, okay, we've taken out sell side liquidity. Let's start buying back. And then price might decide, oh, okay, people think we've taken out sell side liquidity. They are going to think we're going to start buying back. Now let's punish those buyers and start eating into their buys, and then the market keeps going down, and then everyone trying to get into a buy is fried. Do you understand? So we don't want to be too accurate. We don't want to be too forward. That's the word. We're not going to be too forward. We are going to be patient. We are going to wait for price to tell us what price wants to do. You feel me? We are never going to be ahead of the market. We will always wait for the market to show us its hand. I already highlighted a fair value gap over here that I think price is going to come back and remember and probably trade back up. But until it is actually time for us to trade, we are not going to be trading. We are going to be very, very patient and we are going to wait for our time. This is the bottom of that candle of that week on the daily time frame. So if we are going to be bullish on Monday, I'm not going to be expecting, I don't want to see price trade below this level. To be honest, if we are going to be bullish on Monday, I'm not expecting to see price trade below this line over here. Do you get? But and then if price does, well, I'll always just look for the signs. And by the time it's time for me to trade, I will know what to do. So my guys, if you want me to teach you the things that I look out for and how I have the high success rate and how I always know what the market is going to do when it's time for me to trade, just let me know. Comment down on this video and I'll let you know how you can get to me. You feel me? So basically, this is it, guys. This was my business for the couple of days ago. Um, yeah. So that's it, guys. Um, Nothing much. That's the analysis for today. And next week, we shall be back again with my entry. If you guys want me to show you my executions on all these trades, I can. I can start posting everything, but I really don't. I'm not that type of trader. I'm not that type of person. My thing is private. Whatever I tell you here, you believe it. If you don't believe it, well, that's your business. I'm not here to please anybody. I'm not here to um I'm not here to show off to anyone, you feel me? I don't have any reason to lie to anybody. I don't get like I'm not being paid for this. There's no reason for me to lie about my positions, my entry and whatever. I'm totally honest about all these things. Because so if you believe, fine. If you don't believe, fine. That's your business. I really don't care. The truth is that these are the things that happen in real life this is my reality. These are things that happen in my life. And I'm saying it here. I don't need to put screenshots out there to show you or to validate my words. My words are my words. I'll take them for it. And if you're not taking them for it, fine, there's no problem. What's my business? Anyway, so yeah, those were my entries. And on Monday, we'll be back again with more analysis and more executions. I will let you know um, after Monday's trade, I'll let you know what happens. If I make loss, if I make a profit, I'll let you know what happens on Monday. So yeah, that's it for today. That's it for this video. Hope you found this insightful. God bless you. Another word for you guys. If you're in this game, you need to be disciplined, guys. You need to be disciplined. This thing is going to whine you a lot of times. It's going to whine you and it's going to play with you. But you need to be disciplined. You need to learn. Don't stop learning. Be disciplined. Stick to this. Follow your rules and you see you will make it. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you found this insightful. Happy trading. Good luck to every single one of you. God bless you guys.